Okay, welcome back guys. You might have seen from Instagram I've bought a 3-inch turbo elbow and a downpipe. So this video is going to be today like installing it and going to do like a before and after of what it sounded like before, how long it took for like the turbo to spool and stuff like that, and see if it's any difference. So I've got the elbow here. That's the gaskets. And then so this is obviously the turbo side. This then connects to the downpipe, and then O2 sensor in there. And then this is the downpipe. Again, 3-inch gaskets there, and like some nuts and bolts. Got the flexi. This connects to the decat pipe this side, and then this side will connect to the elbow, like so, like that. So next we'll do the before and after, and then we'll get into the installation. So this is before. Hi Jacob.
Hello.
I'm now Sophia S. Anyway, so first we're going to take off the heat shield because it's rattling a bit. And then we're also going to fit, while we're here, some discs and pads. These are EBC Ultramax. They came in the car, so yeah. So far, Jacob's taken off the intercooler pipe, undone all the nuts on the heat shield, and taken off the breather. It's loose.
Yeah. And we take that one off there, and then it should come out. How is this bolt? Yeah. That's it. That one, like the upper one. Take the intake pipe off, I think. Get over this.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And then possibly should be out, maybe.
So take off the intake pipe, and there you go. It's just come off. So this is the current downpipe up to the elbow. Oh, that light's in the way of it. Okay, whatever. And then goes to the decat pipe, and then all the way back.
What else I've got to take off?
So now there's 2 bolts on top, one towards the engine, and then there's 2 bolts underneath for the elbow. And then you've also got to take off the O2 sensor. So all the 3 bottom bolts are out, and then it's just 2 on top. There. And it's off.
Pretty much.
Hooray! Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah.
So just got the O2 sensor out. I don't know if the camera will focus. If you look here, like, it's a bit restrictive, whereas on here it flows quite nicely.
Need the spanner.
the bottom ones. So it's the next day because it got really late last night. It got to like 1 AM, so it's all fitted, and Soph's going to show you, well, she's going to start it up with, you know, the downpipe and the elbow on.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Doesn't sound a lot different, but when it's on boost, it's a lot louder. It like pretty much screams, and there's a lot more response. So like when I get on boost, it comes in a lot easier. It comes in faster. It's probably because it flows better. So yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take it for a little bit of a drive around the block, just so you guys can hear what it's like on boost. Don't lose control because it is wet.
That'll be the end of this video. I'm not sure what we're going to do next, but we'll get around to it.